Hello everyone. In today's video we will be reviewing the worksheets that you had over the week together. So I want you to have those worksheets in front of you to see if you solved them correctly, or if you didn't print them out, just have your answers and see if you did them correctly. So let's start with worksheet 1. The first question says, how much money do I have? So I basically have to find how much money is represented in each of these images. So here, here, and here. First one is 2 and 2 and 1. Well, 2 and 2, let's draw it like this. 2 and 2 makes how much? If you count from 2, you count another 2, you'll get 4. 4 and another 1, how much? Makes 5. So that's 5 euros. Then we have 2 and 1 and 20. 2 and 1 makes 3, and then another 20. So instead of saying 3 and 20, I could turn that around and say 20 and 3. Oh, well, I can just put those two words together. 20 and 3 makes 23. 23. I don't even have to count, really. 2 and 50, or again, I could turn that around and say 50 and 2. So again, I could put those words together and make 52. Again, I don't even have to count. Let's go to the next one. Draw the money. Okay, so here it says 20 euros and 2 euros, or 22 euros. Okay, well, you can see some of the notes here, and we can see what we need. Basically, we need a 20 euro bill and a 2 euro coin. So I would go here and I would make a box, and inside it I would write 20. We don't have to be artists here. We don't have to draw all the little details like this, whatever this is, this building here, the stars. We can just write a box with 20 in it. We don't have to be artists for this. And also for the coin, I can just make a circle and write 2 in it. If you want to be very precise, you could make a circle outside that circle to separate it from the 2-cent coin. If you want to be very specific. But since we haven't talked about the cent coin yet, you don't have to. Next up, we have 10 euros and 1 euro, or 11 euros. So it wants the 10 euro note and the 1 euro coin. So I can make a box. I made it bigger than the 20, which it shouldn't be, but again, details. And the 1 euro coin. And again, if you want to be very precise, you can put another circle outside of that circle to separate it from the 1-cent coin, or the penny, basically. And that's how you solve exercise 1. So please check your answers to make sure that they are done correctly. And let's move on to the next one. This is your next worksheet. And here we can see that the first question asks, how much money do I have? So that would mean here, here, and here. How much money is that? So let's start from the first one. 10 and 10. Well, we know how much 10 and 10 is. We don't even have to use our fingers to count. We know that that is 20. Because 1 and 1 makes 2. So 10 and 10 makes 20. Next up, we have 20 and 5 and 10. Okay, well here I don't exactly have to put them together in this order. I don't have to start by doing 20 and 5. I could start by doing 20 and 10. So adding these two first, which is easier because I can say that 20 and 10, well, 2 and 1 makes 3, so 20 and 10 makes 30. Okay, great. If these two, the pink and the blue, are 30, Well, then 30 and 5 would make 35. You'd get the same thing if you added 20 and 5, which would get 25, and then added another 10. You'd get the same result. It's just that this way it was a little easier for us. 10, next up we have 10 and 50 and 10. Okay, let's start. Here we can say 10 and 50. Okay, well, 1 and 5 is 6. So 10 and 50 would make 60. So these two together would give me 60. I don't have a 60 euro note, so I'm just going to write 60 to remember it. 60 and 10. Okay, well, 6 and 1 makes 7, so 60 and 10 makes 70. And that's all the notes that I have. Okay, let's erase this. And let's erase this as well. And let's move on. In my wallet, there are a 20 euro note, a 10 euro note, and a 5 euro note. How much money do I have? So here it's asking us to do the same thing again. It's showing us the notes, and it wants us to find how much money this is. So 20 and 10 and 5. We already found this, however, up here. It's just that these two have traded places. The pink one is before the 5. So let's find this again. 20 and 10 makes 30 because 2 and 1 makes 3. So 30 and 5 makes 35. Wait. Here it's just the same in Greek, so you don't really have to answer it. I've bought presents that cost 25 euros. How much money will I have left? Okay, well, that means that out of these 35 euros, I spent 25. Now, there are two ways you could go about this. One, you could say, well, I need to do 35, take away 25. So I would have to make a shape. And I'll do 35, take away 25. Okay, great. 5 take away 5 makes 0. 3 take away, this is 2. Now I just saw it looks like a 1. Okay, well, that looks better. 3 take away 2 makes 1. So I'm left with 10 euros. The other way I could have gone about this, which would have been a little easier, is to say, oh, I spent 25 euros. So that's 20 and 5. So what am I left with? I gave up the 20 euro bill and the 5 euro bill. So what am I left with? I'm left with 10, which is the answer that we got. So that'll be the two worksheets. And that'll be all for this week. See you guys again on Monday. Bye.